channel. If you are new here, this is Mehak Khemka and I hope you all are doing great, staying hydrated, drinking lots of water and wearing your mask cause that's important. So if you are skinny just like me, give me a high five. And you should start ignoring all the people who says please thoda mote ho jao. Now coming to the video, in this video I'll be sharing few fashion tips for all the skinny people to look more classy and confident. And also if you are new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button cause उससे आपका कुछ नुकसान नहीं होगा but मेरा फायदा हो जाएगा. So please make sure you do that and also hit the bell icon beside the subscribe button so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And now let's begin. So the first tip that I would like to share with you is avoid wearing vertical stripe. Vertical stripe is this and this is horizontal stripe. So vertical stripes are meant for oversized people and this is not the best thing for skinny girl cause vertical stripes make you look more skinnier, so please avoid that. And if you are going to buy any kind of clothing related to stripes, make sure you go for horizontal stripes. That would make you look more fluffier and elegant. So yeah, don't make this mistake. Also horizontal stripes add little bit of curves to your body, so that's the best choice for skinny people. As I mentioned in my previous point about vertical stripes, high heel will also give you the same impression. It will make you look even taller than you really are, which is really not flattering at all. This will make you look like a straight geometrical line with no curves and this doesn't look good at all. So you can give preference to boots, flats, shoes. That would be a great choice for all the skinny people. And in case if you are going to wear a party cocktail dress which goes with high heels, you can give preference to like a pair of shoes with tiny heels. That would be a best choice for you. I would suggest you to buy a nice pair of shoes which you can wear with any kind of clothing you choose. So the third point that I would like to share with you is avoid wearing skinny jeans. No matter how many fashion experts say you about the trendy skinny jeans, they are still going to remain a bad choice not only for skinny girls but all of us. Cause if you don't know, let me tell you, skinny jeans are not good for our health. Like they squeeze our stomach and legs and also they are painful for our stomach and legs. So make sure you avoid wearing skinny jeans. And also coming to the main point, skinny jeans doesn't look flattering on skinny girls cause it gives an illusion of your legs and that is a bad choice for a skinny girl. So make sure you avoid this. And also you can prefer pants like flare pants, wide leg pants, normal jeans, joggers. This all could be a better choice for you and also they are comfortable. Overall what I mean to say is go for pants, like go for bottoms which give you extra space for your legs. So the next point that I would like to share with you is go for baggy clothes. Baggy clothes means grab all your loose t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies. That would be a great choice for skinny people cause that doesn't outline your silhouette, which is good for us. And also baggy clothes make you look more confident and comfortable. And also if you have watched my previous fashion tips video, I have mentioned in that video that if you are going to wear something loose on top, you should grab something tight on your bottom. So you can complete this look by wearing something like jeans, shorts, narrow skirt. That would be a great choice. Layering is a good idea for skinny girls that not only create a standout look but also make you look more fluffier. Also you can just choose a single garment for layering, like I choose denim jacket for layering on my crop top and that looks super classy and comfortable. Scarves are not only an amazing fashion accessory that add an elegance to women's look, but they also help a slim girl to look at her best size. And you all know small accessories can make a huge difference in our overall look and scarf is one of them. Even a tiny dark dress can get a fresh look with the help of scarf. And scarf will make your neck look less long and it can do miracles to your overall look. Also I would recommend you to start using scarf cause it will also make you look fuller. We all know wearing a belt at our mid-waist makes us look more slimmer, so definitely this is not a choice for slim people. So skinny people should start wearing bottoms that has elastic like high waist pants or maybe jeans that are fitting to your size, and by wearing this kind of bottom we don't require any kind of belt. The last tip that I would like to share with you is start wearing flare dresses instead of tight dresses like a fitting dresses, because these flare dresses are going to give curves to your body, which is good for us, and also this doesn't show outline of your body, and this is not going to make you look more slimmer, so that would be a great choice. Also start wearing more of bright colors instead of dark colors, and start giving more preferences to your long maxi dress, cause this is going to hide your legs and you will look more elegant in this kind of dress. So these were all the 8 fashion tips that I love to share with you. I hope this video benefits you somewhere or the other, and if it does, let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and also share with your skinny people, and yeah, make sure you hit the subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, and I'll be seeing you in next video. Bye.